हे फ्रेंड्स, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आज हम अगस्त 9 के करंट अफेयर्स देखेंगे जो सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगे तो आप वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके पीडीएफ भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का फर्स्ट न्यूज़। Which state's government will launch YSR Cheyuta on August 12, 2020? In a recent cabinet meeting, Andhra Pradesh CM YS Jagan Mohan Reddy has announced the YSR Cheyuta scheme. This scheme is launched for the weaker sections of women living in Andhra Pradesh, which includes SC, ST, OBC and other minority groups. This scheme will help the women in financial matters because अभी coronavirus pandemic में a lot of people who are working on daily wages have lost their income. तो उनको हेल्प करने के लिए अंडर द वुमेन वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश दिस स्कीम वाज लॉन्च्ड एंड इसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू एम्पावर द वुमेन ऑफ द वीकर सेक्शंस इन आंध्र प्रदेश. Let's move on to the next question. Which nation has banned transactions with TikTok owner ByteDance and WeChat's parent firm Tencent? हमने सिमिलर न्यूज़ पहले भी देखी है जहाँ पे डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने टिकटॉक को वार्निंग दी थी दैट इफ इट इज़ नॉट सोल्ड बाय September 15th it will be banned in the US. After which we saw that Microsoft was in talks with TikTok to capture its bases in US, Canada and New Zealand and also Australia. After which Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella had also confirmed that a lot of portion of the deal is still pending and there is no assurance that they will do it. So Donald Trump signed another order which will prohibit any transactions with ByteDance beginning September 20th. Moving on, when was 5th anniversary of the Hiroshima atomic bomb attack observed? Answer is August 6th. The first ever atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima and was known as the Little Boy. It was dropped on August 6th, 1945. And the second bomb was dropped on Nagasaki 3 days later on August 9th, 1945, known as the Fat Man. Moving on to the next question. When will Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra be inaugurated? It was inaugurated on August 8th in Delhi. So this Kendra is an interactive experience center on the Swachh Bharat mission in the country. So just to refresh your memory, the Swachh Bharat mission was launched on 2nd October 2014 with the main mission to eradicate the open defecation systems in the rural areas. Now moving on to politics. Who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Mr. Girish Chandra Murmu has been appointed as the new Auditor General of India. तो ऑडिटर जनरल करता क्या है? The CAG will audit all the receipts and expenditures of the Government of India and the state governments. It will also include all those bodies which are substantially financed by the government. Next question. Which state's villages have been recognized by UNESCO for tsunami readiness? Two coastal villages in Odisha, Venkatraipur and Nulai Sahi, have been recognized as tsunami ready by the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission (IOC) of UNESCO. This is the first time that any state in India is getting recognized. India, Indian Ocean region का first country है जिसको ये honor achieve हुआ है. Next question. Which among the following parties just won one seat in Sri Lankan parliamentary elections in 2020? Answer is UNP. The former Sri Lankan Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe's United National Party suffered the biggest setback in the Sri Lankan parliamentary elections of 2020. The party managed to win only one seat. So moving on to some corona news. Which institute has signed an agreement with Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, to accelerate manufacture and delivery of 100 million doses of COVID vaccine? So the SSI, which is the Serum Institute of India, has signed an agreement with the International Vaccine Alliance Gavi and the Bill Gates and Melinda Gates Foundation. India 100 million doses बनाने वाला है COVID-19 vaccines के, which will be useful for Indians and other low income countries. And ऐसा बोला जा रहा है कि ये वैक्सीन का प्राइस $3 per dose होगा maximum and it will be available in 92 countries. Next question. When will India's Kisan Rail start functioning? The country's first Kisan Special Parcel Train or the Kisan Rail will start from August 7th, 2020. The train will start at 11 am and it will transport material between Maharashtra's Devlali and Bihar's Danapur railway station. So, what was the main idea of the government behind this train? Budget 2021 में government ने promise किया था that they will take steps towards doubling the income of the farmers. So, by introducing this train, now the farmers will be able to sell their products like milk, fish, meat, even perishable products like these to urban cities, and which will obviously increase their income. There is an added benefit that now the people living in urban areas will get fresher items to buy. Moving on, when will National Handloom Day be observed? It will be celebrated on August 7, 2020 to commemorate the Swadeshi movement, which was launched on the same date in 1905. The main objective behind the celebration of the day is to generate awareness about the handloom industry amongst the public. Hey friends, please like, share and subscribe. आपके जो भी फ्रेंड्स कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स दे रहे होंगे उन्हें भी ये वीडियो शेयर कीजिए, और जो नहीं दे रहे होंगे उन्हें भी शेयर कर दीजिए, उनका जनरल नॉलेज ही बढ़ जाएगा। एंड आप हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे जाके भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, इट इज़ exam_today। तो आपको जो भी न्यू अपडेट्स रहेंगे वहाँ पे भी पोस्ट में पता चलते रहेंगे। एंड प्लीज़ 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 कमेंट, जो भी आपके रिव्यूज़ हैं हम इम्प्रूव करेंगे हमेशा, एंड आई एम श्योर ये आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा आपके सारे एग्जाम्स के लिए। आपको कोई अदर रेफरेंस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ओके, बाय बाय।